This is my current setup, and ever since I built it, I've been wanting to make it more immersive, especially around the monitor area. And today we're going to be enhancing the immersiveness of the setup by adding this Govee AI SYNC BOX Kit 2. So let's get started, see what comes in the box, install it, and see if it makes it any better. First thing in the box is the manual and instruction papers, and next you get the sync box itself, and I'll tell you more about the box later. And you get two RGB bars that go on the side, and of course the LED strip that will go on the back of the monitor or the TV that you're installing this on. And with it you also get two HDMI 2.1s, and that's pretty much it, plus the mounting hardware. Now to install this thing, it's actually quite easy. Basically what you're trying to accomplish here is a connection between the box and your device to your monitor. So on the right side you get 4 HDMI ports for any device you want to plug in, and on the left side you have one HDMI out going to the monitor you're displaying on. First thing we want to install is the LED light strip behind the monitor. So you want to take the adhesive off and install it at the edges of your monitor, and try your best to center it, that way you can get accurate lighting. And next we want to install the 2 feet that came with the lights that go on the side, and you want to put these lights on each side of the monitor. Once you have the lights in position, you want to connect the side lights and the LED strip to the box itself via the USB-C that it came with, and then you want to run the HDMI from the out port on your box to your monitor. And lastly, use any of the HDMI input ports and connect that to your PC for the signal. Now for the best result in my opinion, you gotta do some cable management to make it look tight and nice. Just use the included cord ties and tighten things up, hide all the cables, and then you are ready to start using the sync box. First thing we gotta do is connect the Govee sync box to the app, and the process of doing that took maybe 1 to 2 minutes. They walk you through the layout and the monitor configuration that you have installed the lights on, and that's pretty much it. And oh my gosh, this thing is way brighter and the colors are extremely accurate compared to what's on my screen, and the light spread is covering most of the wall behind, which is exactly what I wanted. And if we compare what it looked like before to what it looks like with the lights, it's an incredibly noticeable difference. The lights just bring the setup to life in my opinion, and they look really good. Now I tested the lights with a bunch of different videos that I found on YouTube, and I was worried in the beginning that it won't be responsive, but this thing had no delay when displaying the colors behind the monitor. Now in the app you get a ton of options to choose from, like the type of reaction you want from the lights. They allow you to control the LED strip and the light bars individually, as well as controlling the sensitivity for the light changes. You also get the option to manually control the lights, so you can set them to whatever light you would like, or you can choose from one of the scenes that they have, which I love using when I have lights in my setup but I'm not using my monitor. But one of the most impressive features that this device has, it has an AI powered solution that can detect things that are happening in the game, and based off of that display a specific effect on the lights to let you know it's about to happen. For example, here in this shot it shows an airstrike in Call of Duty, so anytime an airstrike is happening in the game, that kind of lighting will be displayed behind my monitor, which is a whole different immersion level to give you more cues in the game. Now it was time to do some gaming, starting with the newly released Hollow Knight Silksong. This game is addictive, and the lighting with this game is super cool. Even though that the game is a little dark, the lighting around the edges is super accurate. It almost makes you feel like you have a bigger monitor than you actually do. Next, I wanted to test a storyline, so I booted up Red Dead Redemption 2. If you thought RDR2 already looked good, with this lighting system it is a whole different level. It makes everything brighter and even more immersive. It almost felt like I'm playing Red Dead Redemption 2 for the first time again. Now next I wanted to play something more competitive, so we booted up Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and I gotta tell you guys, this thing is extremely responsive. The lighting is actually one-to-one with what is happening on my screen. There's no delays or weird stuttering when the light is moving around, so even in a really fast-paced game, this still worked really well. Next I wanted to play a game that has a lot of colors in it, and for that I booted up Fortnite, and I gotta tell you guys, the lighting system in Fortnite actually is my favorite because the game's already super bright, and this just like takes it to another level where you're just like really focused because you have no distractions around the monitor. And while I'm playing Fortnite, I turned on the AI mode, will detect when I get a kill or if I get a win, and you can see the lighting change anytime I'm getting a kill, which is crazy, and it's super immersive. It's very accurate, and it's really good at detecting what's happening in the game. It really just makes you feel like you're actually in the game, and I have to say I'm actually not that good at Fortnite, but I was getting some good kills in these clips, which was kind of surprising, but I'm gonna blame the lights because I think they're helping me out in here. So would I recommend the Govee AI SYNC box to you guys? 100% yes. If you're somebody that wants to spend the money to make your gaming setup stand out from any other gaming setup on the market, this will do it, because this will make the whole gaming experience more immersive. You're gonna enjoy gaming even more than you already do, and to be honest, it adds a ton of aesthetics to any gaming setup because the lights matter. Again, massive thank you to Govee for sending this product to check out, and if you guys want to check it out too, it'll be linked down below in the description. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.